Hi there, welcome to Huson DIY. My name's Ben. In this video, we're setting up some wireless earbuds. Okay, so we've been sent these wireless earbuds to unbox, set up and review basically. So we're going to have a look at them. They're from Amazon, around £45 from Amazon. They're the brand of Batutos, but the A90 Pro True Wireless Earbuds. So just to run through some of the features before we jump in, it's got 6 to 8 hours of playtime in terms of using the earbuds. As I said, it's the A90 Pro. A 1.5 hour charging time with a 30 milliamp hour battery in the earbuds. Obviously it comes with a charging case as well, which has got a 300 milliamp hour capacity. So let's open it up and see what we get inside. Okay, so the box inside, let's have a look. True wireless earbuds. Inside there. So we've got the earbuds in the case itself. A little accessories box included. Let's see what we get inside the accessories box. So just a charging cable. So it's a USB-C charging, which is great. More and more things now coming over from China, produced in China. These brands from China, they are definitely USB-C now. At first there was still micro USB, which were a bit of a pain because you have to keep your micro USB cables. But more and more now are USB-C, which is brilliant. It just means you can obviously use cables you've already got for charging. So it comes with a little user manual as well, with the A90 Pro on the front. Multiple languages, just talks about charging, about pairing it, Bluetooth obviously. It does have functions for tapping, so it sounds like it looks like you can tap to answer, you can tap twice to play music, press and hold to skip tracks, etc. So it's all in that user manual how to do it there. So that's that. And then the earbuds themselves. Okay, so it's kind of like an army green, I would say that is. Forest green, maybe not army, forest green. It's got a little LCD screen on the front, little indicator by the looks of it. So if I open that up, yes it does. So you might be able to see that on camera possibly on that one. But it's got a little battery indicator on the front screen, and it shows when it's charging as well. That's pretty cool, that. Obviously, most Bluetooth headsets, when you connect them to your phone, do tell your phone or your device how much charge is left. But it's quite good to have it on the front just to be able to see visibly what battery life you've got left. So that's everything in the box. That's the bud, the case. What we'll do now is we'll have a look at the buds, a bit of a close-up, see what they look like, and then we'll pair them up to my mobile phone. Okay, so we've got the earbuds, I've got my phone ready. We're going to try and pair them up. I'm going to try and do it without even reading instructions. Let's see if we can do it. So I'm going to open the case. No, I'm not. The case does shut very easily. So we'll leave the case shut. I'll go to my Bluetooth settings. So where is Bluetooth? Bluetooth is on. So it's scanning for devices on my, at the moment. I'll open it up. And I'll do a rescan. A90 Pro's appeared on there. So you need to open it up to pair it. Press on the A90 Pro. It's pairing now. That's me if I want to pair. I'm going to confirm that. And we're connected for calls and audio on them now. So that's excellent. So as it should be, really simple to do. Obviously just go into your Bluetooth settings. That will be compatible with both Android and iOS. really simple to connect. But again, it should be simple because Bluetooth devices are pretty simple, but it's exactly what you'd expect. Right, okay, so we've paired them up with the phone that's still connected. I'm going to take them out of the case now and try them on. So it does label them as right and left, obviously. So I'll take them out of there, like so. Pop them in. Okay, they're fairly comfortable in my ear. Obviously you can see them there on camera. They're not massive. Obviously they are green, so they probably stand out a little bit. So what I'll do is I'll just go open up YouTube Music on my phone. Get rid of that. And then we'll put my Super Mix on. So I'll probably blur this on the screen so it's for copyright reasons, but it's playing. So double tap pauses it. I can slide up to turn the volume up and down. And then double tap, plays it. Okay, so I've had to look at instructions, I gave in. So for music, you can do play pause, which is tap twice. Previous track, you press and hold the left for 2 seconds, which kind of makes sense, you're going back. Next track, hold the right for 2 seconds. You can activate your voice control, voice assistant on your phone, whether that be Android or iOS, by tapping 3 times. You can turn down the volume by single tap on the left earbud and turn up the volume, single tap on the right. So what we'll do is I'll drop through them now. So I'm going to play from my phone again now. So I've started playing. So I'm going to, previous track, I'm going to hold the left one. Skip back to the beginning, which is right. Next track, I'm going to skip forward, hold that one for 2 seconds. It's done that. A single tap to turn the volume down on the left. That is working. And then turn it up, single tap on the right. That's working. So I'm going to pause it. Excellent, okay, that's cool. Okay, so that's the earbuds tested now in terms of music. The sound's really good, sound quality is really good. I'm not sure if it's supposed to have a kind of any active noise cancellation. It doesn't say anything about turning that on or off as far as I can see. But yeah, you've obviously seen the Bluetooth connectivity, really simple to do, as it should be really. Again, the controls, most devices do them now in terms of those touch controls on the side, but they are really responsive. It didn't take much tapping. The problem I have with the tapping is remembering what's what. And I guess if you think about the setup, it's quite intuitive, kind of left, right, down and up. So yeah, I'd say the main thing is they're really light, which is a good thing because they're obviously not heavy on your head, but a bad thing in terms of maybe the quality of the earbuds. But again, from first impressions, the sound's really good. They don't sound much different to my Samsung ones, which I think are like £200. So yeah, they're really good. I suppose the only other thing really is distance, in terms of obviously the distance from the device you're listening to. They are Bluetooth. Bluetooth, I think, is anywhere between 25 to 50 meters on the newer type of Bluetooth. But again, I think you're probably always going to have your device you're playing from anywhere, really, quite close by for me anyway. What I'll do is if I do find any issues with distance between the device and the earbuds, I'll update the description of this video just to confirm any future thoughts, and I'll update the blog post, which will be on the Huson DIY website. Okay, that's everything really complete with this video for now. It was just a quick unboxing, a quick first impression and review of these earbuds. As I mentioned just previously there, any future thoughts I will update in the description, any issues I do find. but I've just tested them out for a couple of minutes now, skipping through some more songs. The sound is really good, they're really comfy to wear, they're really light. Obviously the colour is a little bit different. I do like the colour, to be fair, rather than being white or black, they're quite cool. And the charging case is really good. The fact that they charge in the case, again, it's just seeing what it's like in terms of long term with the battery life on them, but I don't foresee any issues really. So yeah, I would say overall a really good product, a really good value for money in terms of that between 40 and 50 pounds. You're getting quite a lot for your money there compared to the bigger brands where you're probably spending anywhere between 150 and 200 pounds. So yeah, good value for money. Okay, that's the end of the video. Hopefully it's been informative if you're looking at these earbuds or any similar type of earbuds on Amazon or any other websites. So yeah, if you've enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If you've not liked it for any reason, give it a dislike, give it a thumbs down, let me know in the comments why. Any questions about this product, about anything about the features of the product, about the setup, etc., anything I've missed in the video, drop it into the comments section and we'll get back to any questions and comments. If you want to follow the Huson DIY journey along for any more unboxings, DIY projects and cooking videos, hit that subscribe button and we'll see you on the next one.